Now I need you to start thinking. You've heard me go on and on and on for a couple of an hour plus, right? I need you to start thinking, to start writing something down. Decide on your trading targets, okay? And put it on a piece of paper. What kind of targets are you looking for? Don't put in as much as possible. Question I'm going to ask you is, how much would you like to make in a month? Right? Don't put in as much as possible, because as much as possible is the number one way to fail. It should be one of those four that I had in before, but as much as possible is the number one way to fail, because any amount of money you make in a day, you're never going to be happy, because it is not as much as possible. Remember, you will not be able to make every move or every opportunity in the market. You're even very unlikely to maximize on your trade. You will never know when it's the top or when it's the bottom of a trade. So you need to be able to set your trading targets. You need to be able to know what number, value, or percentage, if you achieve or when you achieve, you will be happy with. Obviously, this number doesn't have to be fixed forever. This number, whether it's a dollar value or percentage value, can be adjusted according to your skill set. So when you're new, you might be looking at a percentage, a small percentage. As you get better, you could adjust it, you could adjust it, you could adjust, or you could be looking at keeping it constant, but your percentage number stays and your value number goes up. All right, you can see that I'm emphasizing this target number very importantly a lot, is because goal setting is super important. Goal setting manages your expectations. It gives you something to be happy about when you've achieved a target. If you set your target way too high and you don't achieve it, then trading becomes unenjoyable. You're going to sit there and you'll be like, I've never achieved my target. I don't like this. I want to enter more trades so that I can achieve my targets. By doing that, you're going to start over trading, you're going to start gambling, you're going to start doing all kinds of bad habits. Set a realistic expectation, set a realistic target so that you can hit it, be happy over and over, enjoy trading. Then you adjust those targets again. And as you set your targets, you get to understand the time commitments you require. You get to understand what you need to do to achieve those targets. For example, if you say that I want to hit 20% returns in a month, you're obviously not going to spend 5 minutes a day. You're going to spend a lot more time trying to hit 20, 30, 40% returns in that month. But if you say that, hey, I'm quite happy to make 5% returns in a month. Hey, 5% returns, you could spend 15 minutes a day. Look at the market once, after work, set your buy limits or sell stops in there, and then you're done, right? So the expectations that you have is going to determine the time and the effort that you put into your trading.